If you are a citizen developer who wants to automate their day-to-day work, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I taken a very simple case study. AI will analyze everyday news related to the stock market, summarize it, and sends in your Microsoft Teams before 8 a.m. So you can make decision either you are going to sell a stock, either you are going to buy a stock. Without any further delay, let's start this demo. So before we start building this AI agent, let me give you some context about workflows agent. If you will come to Microsoft 365 page, you can see you will get a UI something like this, very simple, a text box and some prompt which you used before. But in left side you can see all agent, and that is where you can see, my friend, the very first section we have, that is built by Microsoft, and there you can see all those agents available as a template. So if you want to create your own agent, you will just use this template and you will able to create your own AI agent in Microsoft 365 Copilot. Here the very first agent is workflows. So workflow is also a agent, but this agent is more powerful than all other agent, because here you will just give an instruction, and based on that it will use all those Microsoft applications like Outlook, Team, Planner, OneNote, and create a AI automation workflow, and which will save your day-to-day task lots of hours and you will be more productive. So let's see how you can create AI automation using workflows agent. So let's automate our day-to-day work using workflows agent. So you will click on it and you can see here open, as I already installed. Otherwise you will get option to install. Once you will install, you can see in left side workflows, and that is where you can see some prompts under my workflows. If you haven't created any, you can't see any. Now I will use a prompt every day 8 a.m. gather most important news update related to the Indian stock market, summarize and then send to the Microsoft Teams, demo teams and channel. Let's see that we have that channel or not. So here I have that team and channel as well. So that is what you need to confirm, and then you can see now I'm ready to execute this prompt, and it will take few seconds, sometimes minutes, based on the how big task you given to AI to automate. Now it's preparing, so let's wait. And starting workflow setup, so it is started setup. Now adding teams message, all those things you can see while it's creating, and here you can see all those steps AI taken to create this workflow, and adding team message step, and then in right side you can see we have trigger, then we have AI prompt, and then the step to send message. Now I saved it, and now it is ready for testing. So let's start testing. You will click on test to run this workflow. First step completed, second step is also completed in 5 seconds, and then the third step you can see it can take time. We need to send message in Microsoft Teams. So let's see that what we have in second step in AI prompt as a news summarization. So in result you can see summarized format of news, and that is what we will send in Microsoft Teams. It is still taking time, let's wait, and now it's completed in 49 seconds. So if you want to see this test, you will go back to activity, and that is where you can see all those successful or failed activities. So now you can see this is what we are posting in Microsoft Teams. Let's go back there and see in demo teams general tab, you can see this summarization. So this is how any kind of complicated work you can automate just using a prompt in Microsoft 365 Copilot. So that's the power, my friend. We created this automation in just 5 seconds. So for the workflow management, you can see my workflows, and all those workflows you can see there. So you can turn off, either you can delete from here. If you turn off and you will try to run this flow, you will not able to run, because that is where you will see the message that you have to turn it on. And if you want to turn it on, again you have to go back to the workflows, and that is where you can see your workflow. You will click on three dots and you will able to turn it on. If you want to delete, again you will click on three dots and you will able to delete. So like I deleted. So this is how you will create any kind of created workflow. In case you want to share or uninstall, you will able to uninstall from here. So you will click on uninstall and you will able to uninstall.